Assalamu alaikum. May Almighty's blessings be upon all of us. Today in the Ramadan series, I'm going to show you how to make caramel custard or custard pudding or flan. A velvety lush dessert that turns out so beautifully. It's easy to make pudding and is very popular in India. Its silky texture makes it melt in mouth. It's perfect treat for taste buds and the best surprise in Ramadan for iftar. So let's get started. For making this dessert, I have taken 1/4 cup of sugar. Sugar you can adjust according to your taste. 1 tablespoon of custard powder, 3 eggs, and I have taken 1/4 cup of sugar that we will be using for making caramel. Vanilla essence around 1 teaspoon, and then I have taken milk. Milk is around less than 500 ml that I have boiled for some time, so it's thickened slightly. First I start with caramelizing the sugar. Here you can see I have heated up the sugar on medium flame. Here you have to keep it stirring because it burns in no time. You have to be very careful with this. The moment it starts melting, I'm not adding water. You can add a tablespoon of water also. So here you can see in no time it will start caramelizing. Completely melted, and now it will start caramelizing. It will start changing its color. We have to make sure we don't have to overdo it. It should not, then otherwise it will turn bitter. So for that you have to keep stirring. You just have to be there till it caramelizes fully. Now here you can see it's caramelized. So we don't have to overdo it or else it will turn bitter. So at this stage I'll turn off the flame and I'll transfer it to the bowls. I'm taking 2 steel bowls for making custard. There are 2 ways to do it, either in oven or you can do it in a pot like we do for cake, like steam it. So here you can see these are the 2 bowls that I'm taking. I'm going to do it in a pot, so I'll keep them in fridge for some time. Till then we will do other things. Here I have taken milk and I'm adding sugar to it. I have already boiled milk for some time, so it's already thickened. Then I'll be adding custard powder to it. Here I would like to mention custard powder is not important, you can skip it. This recipe has 3 main ingredients, that's milk, sugar, eggs, and you can take vanilla essence so that eggs, like you won't feel the egg smell. So here I'm taking custard powder and I'll mix it with some milk or else it will form lumps. So I'll mix it, then add to the milk. So here you can see, now I will add it to the milk, and we have to keep stirring. We don't have to thicken it a lot like we do for custard. So at this stage only I'll turn off the flame. Let it cool down till it becomes lukewarm. We don't have to make it fully cold, it should be lukewarm. Now I have taken 3 eggs and I'll whisk them. Here you can see we have to mix them properly. Then I'll be adding vanilla extract to it. Mix it. And then I will be adding it to the custard and milk mixture. Here you can see, but make sure that the milk should be lukewarm, not hot, not cold. Lukewarm, it's very important for this recipe, it should be lukewarm. Then we will strain it so that if there is anything that goes away, or else custard won't come smooth, caramel custard won't come smooth. For that I'm straining it. Once strained, then we will pour these mixture in the bowls that we had refrigerated with caramel at the bottom. Here you can see Then we will steam them. So here you can see, this can be done in oven also. Then I'll place aluminum foil on it. We have to cover it properly like this on both of them. Then after covering with silver foil, I will make some small slits in the silver foil with a knife. Here I'll show you like this, 2-3 slits. Then they will go for steaming. Using a pot, and I have add some water at the bottom. Then I have placed a wire stand, or you can place anything, katori or anything. Then I'm placing they're placed properly. Then I will cover it properly so that no steam escapes, and we have to keep it on low flame for around 30 minutes. Low flame and 30 minutes are the important things to remember here. After 30 minutes, I will slightly try to open on the side and check. Here you can see. Now I'll check with a knife the way we do for cake. If knife comes clean, that means they are ready. Same I will do with the other one. And then I'll turn off the gas and let them cool down in fridge for around 2 hours or 1 hour minimum. And now they are ready to go in the fridge. And here I have taken them out from fridge. Then I'll try to slightly loosen it on sides with the knife. Then it will become easier to place it on a plate or serving dish. Here you can see, I'll just loosen it on sides. Then I will flip it on a plate. Here after 2 hours, the caramel custard is ready, or caramel pudding or flan. Here you can see it turns really good, it tastes really good, and it's easy to make. Just with a few ingredients we can make it. It's easy to make and taste marvelous. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.